Welcome back, guys, to another section of machine assembly part 2. So now we are going to produce or to draw this part of the machine assembly, which is the pivot here. So let me just launch my ProE. So here I'm going to set the directory, and then I'm going to create a new folder whereby I'm going to name it the pivot. So from this pivot, I'm going to start by sketching this rectangle part, and then I will sketch this circular part and extrude my component. So I'm going to sketch it using the front view. So I'm going to enter in the rectangle command, and then I'm going to modify these dimensions. So let me just check. So it's here the height of 32, the distance of 650. Here it's 650, 60, 650, and then select regenerate, then done. So now I'm going to sketch the circle, which is a distance of 132 from this upper part of the rectangle. So I'm going to select the circle command, and then I'm going to draw my circle, and then I'm going to modify my own dimensions to this. So here I'm going to put 132, and my circle is of diameter 106 plus 106, and also another circle diameter 150. So I have to, okay, here it's 106 plus 106, enter, and then I have to draw another circle which is of diameter 150. Let me just cross check if that's, yeah, that's it. Now I'm going to draw the lines which will be tangential to this circle. So I'm going to enter the line command, then another one. Yeah, so I'm going to modify these dimensions here to here, and also here to here. Okay, so here it's going to be a distance of 106 times 106. Yeah, it's done automatically. So here we are not bothered by all this dimension, we will leave it like that. So here I'm going to remove the material that we are not going to use. So I will remove this material. So as you can see, there is a curve of radius 50. So we are going to use this command which chamfers the sharp edges. So I'm going to select this line. So here it's going to be of radius 50. This one radius of 50, and then I am done, and then you click done. Then now you have to extrude it to a distance of 250. And then I have to extrude it both sides. You can view my component. So as you can see, my pivot is almost done, and then you select done. Now we have to produce some other features which are there. So here we have got these 4 circles which are of distance 162.5 from this edge. Then their distance is 125 and 75, and they are of diameter of 25. So I'm going to sketch them from the top surface. Then I'm going to sketch my reference. This one is my reference, this one is my reference, this one also, this one. So I'm going to sketch. But this time I'm not going to use the mirror line method, but I'm going to sketch all of them, all the 4 circles at the same time. So you have to make sure they are in the same line. So I'm going to just click another circle and of the same radius. Then I come here, same radius. I think I am done. And then come out of the command. So I have to enter these dimensions. So let me check. So from this corner to this corner, it's to this center it's 75, and from this edge to center it's 62.5. So I'm going to enter here 62.5, and from here on it's going to be 75 here, and here it's 62.5 of radius 50, and also here it's supposed to be let me just first check from this edge to this edge, the same is 75. So here it's going to be 75, and here it's going to be 62.5. Enter. So I am done, and then you click done. Let me check for my diameter. Yeah, my diameter is supposed to be 25. So you have to be aware of such mistakes because the dimensions they are very important. So I'm going to extrude, and then change direction, remove material, and then view. So here as you can see, all the 4 circles are done. So I'm going to select done. So my pivot is done. I hope you have understand and you have learned some new methods of drawing. See you guys in the next tutorial. So I'm going to save this file. Okay. Save.